Hello, my name is Courtney Huikel. I am the English language teaching consultant for Seed. We are the main distributor and importer of foreign language books in France. We work with all the major publishers, the major international publishers, but we are very proud to be the exclusive distributor for Oxford University Press. So in this video, I'm going to give a quick presentation of two different titles or two series that are used in France for Cambridge exams. So we'll have a look at Get Ready for Starters, Movers and Flyers, which of course is a preparation course for the Young Learner Suite, and Venture into First, which is a book to prepare for the B2 First for Schools exam. So to present the books to you, I'll be using the Oxford University Press platform, Oxford English Hub, which is basically a portal, a platform that holds everything you need to teach any of the current Oxford University Press courses. So we are going to first look at Get Ready for Starters, Movers and Flyers. So Get Ready for Starters, Movers and Flyers is an exam preparation book. So we assume, just like any exam preparation book, that the pupils have pretty much the language level needed to take the exam. What we're doing with the exam preparation course is putting in the situation of taking the exam and using the language they're supposed to know in exam type situations. Um, Get Ready for Starters, Movers, and Flyers is quite popular. It's very well linked to the exams. So students know what they're doing. As you can see here, it's grouped by a vocabulary theme, and for the tests. Um, it's a little different in that it has a little bit more teachable, exploitable material within the units than other books do. Again, it's not necessarily a teaching method. It really is a method to prepare, but this one does do that quite well in terms of getting things that you can do in the class to work with the language. It's not just an exercise book, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And so the language in each unit covers the entire syllabus. Obviously, for the language in each book covers the entire syllabus for whatever exam it's preparing for. And so you have the unit leading up to practice tests. So here, if we go back to the beginning of the unit, we see the vocabulary presentation that they're going to need, of the words that they're going to need for this category. And there's a mixture of skills and activities that you can use in the classroom to work on that language point or grammar or vocabulary set. And then it goes directly into a practice test. So all the language you've been working on, you'll be able to put directly into use in a practice test at the end of each unit. Another example. So these are popular for that reason. They're a little bit less dense than other courses as well. You can do it in a year. And like I said, it covers the entire syllabus for the Young Learners exams across the three levels. So get ready for starters, get ready for movers, get ready for flyers. We're looking now at the movers version. Okay, this next one we're going to look at is Venture into First. Just here. Venture into First is a preparation course book for B2 First for Schools. It's a little bit more than just a preparation book. A lot of times, like I said, in exam preparation books, you might have to supplement some of the grammar and things like that because it's less of a teaching method and more of a method to prepare for the exam. But this does cover all the skills. There's language work, there's vocabulary work, and it's a little bit more material to use throughout a year so you have fun teaching um, materials and things like that. It's not just exam preparation. It's got a little bit more to it, although it is still a little bit, it's not quite as fleshed out as a general teaching method. They've tried to make it as interesting as possible, obviously covering the syllabus and covering all the skills needed to take the exam, but to make it a little bit more teachable. and interesting in the classroom. So just to give you a quick, if you're not familiar with the tools, these are on the Oxford platform. These are called the classroom presentation tools. You have, and this is the same for all books. You can zoom in, zoom out, obviously. My favorite tool is Focus. If you click on Focus, then you get these predefined squares, and then you can zoom in just on the bit of the book that you want to focus on, as I've just done. Click on Show Answers, and you can reveal the answers one by one. You also have draw and highlight tools, hide and show. You can write notes, you can have bookmarks. And like I said, there's interactive answers. And obviously, you just need to click on the icons to get any audio or video. If you want students to come up and practice their pronunciation, you can have them do so by clicking here, and then you can record what they're saying and they can hear themselves, perhaps for pronunciation or vocabulary exercise. And then you can record what they're saying and they can hear themselves, perhaps for pronunciation or vocabulary exercise. Okay, those are two titles to prepare Cambridge exams from Oxford University Press. Please let me know if you have any questions.